guys, welcome back to the channel. So as I told you guys on my last video, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the hybrid racing packages that I've received. So I got these two packages here from Hybrid Racing. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera and show you guys that unboxing and show you guys the hatch a little bit because we can't leave you out. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and unbox these, and I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, guys. So we're going to start with this little box. We got hose clamps, and we got our radiator hoses. Got the radiator hoses and hose clamps. Hybrid Racing sticker. So that's box number one. Got our K20. We have our performance clutch line. Pop this open real quick. So we got our braided steel line for our clutch. Hybrid Racing. Go ahead and put that in. And then here, slave cylinder. Got more stickers. And we got our slave. Keep it going, guys, keep it going. We got our K-Series ground kit. We got all our grounds and more stickers. And here we have our conversion harness. We're running the Hybrid Racing conversion harness. And this is for inside underneath the dash. We're doing the Hybrid Racing conversion harness as well. So yeah, I'll be making little videos installing all this stuff. I've been waiting for a lot of this stuff to come in the mail. Got 3 bracelets. These are our coolant temperature sensor, and then this is the little sleeve where the coolant temperature sensor goes in. Oh, we got some banners in here. Got a couple Hybrid Racing wall banners, and got some Hybrid Racing Awesome Sauce air fresheners, guys. It's a pretty dope care package here. Last but not least, guys, if I didn't tell you guys know now. I'm running AC in this bad boy. That is a must. I live in Florida, it's hot as fuck. Our AC lines. All the AC lines that we're gonna need. And this is the bracket to hold it on. And I believe this is the relay. Yep. And there should be some hardware here. And hardware. So, yeah guys. we got a little care package here from Hybrid Racing. Shout out to them. They sell good parts, so I support them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna install any of this yet. I will make videos of all of this stuff, putting it on the car. I'll try to get into more detail installing all these little things, so that way you guys have a better understanding of some of these things. I know a lot of you guys don't really know how to do much some of these things, and a lot of you guys do. So for the ones that don't, I'll be showing you guys how to do some of the stuff, like running the Hybrid Racing conversion harness. We're gonna be doing AC, stuff like that. Guys, I appreciate all you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one, guys.